welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you Cabbage Barada and Tamarind Charu or soup. So this goes together very well. So ingredients: for cabbage curry, cabbage chopped into small pieces, and this is half cabbage, and this is for 3 to 4 people. 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 spoon red chilli powder, 1 spoon salt and turmeric, and for tempering, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Half cup chana dal, 4 spoons oil. To blending jar, I have added the chana dal, and I'm going to add half of the ingredients: pinch of turmeric and red chilli powder and salt, and 1 spoon oil. And now I'm going to grind this into coarse powder. I forgot to add garlic. Even garlic goes in this. After grinding, it looks like this powder. Let's start the recipe. I already heated the pan and I'm adding oil, 3 spoons oil. That goes in the spices and tempering. Just mix it well. Then goes in the cabbage. Mix them well. After mixing, then I'm going to cover with the lid. I'm adding 1 spoon water, covered with the lid, and I'm going to wait until it gets half cooked. See the cabbage? It's half cooked. Now goes in the powder, chana powder, which I already blended, and I'm going to mix this well. At this point also you can add 1 more spoon water, because this is coarse and you need some material to soften. So if cabbage has enough water, then we don't need it. Otherwise you need to add another spoon of water. I'm adding 1 more spoon water and give it mix. I'm even adding 1 green chilli. This is optional. I like that spicy taste. Then I'm going to simmer it and cover with the lid and wait until it gets cooked. Just I want to clean my mixing spoon. So this is Tamarind Charu. So this recipe is requested by Sakshi. Sakshi, this is for you. Ingredients for the charu: I've taken lemon size tamarind and I've soaked it, and we need to squeeze this. We can do this tamarind juice once and then save it in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. But if you need to stay it for longer time, I can show you later video how to make that. Then take out the pulp. I have taken pinch turmeric and 1 spoon white salt and garlic, crushed garlic, 3 cloves crushed garlic, and we need some oil, 2 spoons oil. Mentioned tempering. This is half spoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Added tempering, and I'm going to mix it well. And even I added the spices into this. Once the garlic becomes little bit brown color, roasted, then we can add tamarind water into this. At this point I'm adding tamarind water, and I'm going to add just plain water. So it depends on how much sour taste you want. I'm adding jaggery. This is optional. This is 1 spoon. It's not must, but it's optional. Have to boil this just little. When it comes to boiling point, then you can turn off and transfer into a bowl. Even the curry is done. This is Cabbage Barada, popular in Maharashtra. This is one of my favorite curry, and this goes very well with charu. This comes for 3 to 5 people. It's done. Taste test. So first I'm going to taste barada, cabbage barada, gobi ka barada. I'll just love this curry. Tastes very good, and you should try this. And now let me taste charu. Very tasty. So these two can go well with rice or millets, or you can drink charu as soup if you like. And when you have constipation problem, then they drink this charu. And if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for new notifications. And for full recipe, look into the description box below. Bye, and see you with next recipe.